Why am I getting debris blowing out through the returns when I'm vacuuming my swimming pool? Typically speaking, this would only be something that you see under a few specific conditions. One of those conditions is there's a problem with the filter. What kind of filter do you have? There's a lot of different kinds of filters: sand filters, diatomaceous earth filters, cartridge filters. But if a deficiency with any one of those, a broken lateral in a sand filter, or a cracked standpipe, a hole in the paper cartridge filter for a cartridge filter, or similarly hole in the grids for a DE filter, these things will allow particulate matter to pass through. And if you're vacuuming your pool and getting a bunch of debris that's supposed to be getting captured by the filter, but it's somehow getting through that filter and back through the return lines into your pool, that's kind of the hallmark for some sort of problem with your pool filter. So that's just it. My filter's broken. Well, there's other things that could be going on. Let's say you have, a filter that doesn't capture the finest debris. Like DE filters capture the finest debris, a cartridge filter the next finest, a sand filter with the glass media is actually in that cartridge filter range, maybe even a little better than that. But a sand filter with silica sand, which is the most common thing to go in a sand filter, and sand filters are the most common filter for swimming pools in general. Those filters in particular, it's not a super fine filtration that you get versus these other filter medias. And as a result, there are things that you could be vacuuming, like a very fine algae. That algae could be passing through your filter media. That's something that can happen sometimes. So if you're in this situation asking, hey, what's stuff blowing through my returns here, but you happen to be vacuuming a ton of like really cloudy looking algae or different kinds of problematic algae in a pool, that could be contributing to you seeing stuff blowing out through the return lines. Like, you shouldn't see it, but it can happen sometimes. If you found this information helpful, please be sure to like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And you can check out my website, swimmingpoolsteve.com.